My name is Krupali Patel. I am one of the inside sales associates here on the aftermarket team. I assist our customers with consumables, parts, and fixed price service inquiries. So here at SCIEX, we want to be able to ensure we provide our customers with the best service and products for their SCIEX instruments. We understand our customers may be working some time-sensitive projects, which is why we have centralized distribution centers where we have full inventories of parts and consumables, which allow SCIEX to be able to get parts to our customer sites overnight. Reflecting on our organization's commitment to quality, our parts undergo continuous improvement and revision, which is why parts will improve over the lifetime of your instrument. As the mass spec OEM, we make sure we have parts that are the correct revision for your system. In cases where SCIEX is not the OEM, we only use parts that are directly sourced from the OEM. For example, Agilent parts are directly sourced from Agilent, and Shimatsu parts are directly sourced from Shimatsu. When customers are unsure about the exact part or consumables that they may require for their instrument, we have the Technical Assistance Center, which we refer to as TAC. Customers could call in or reach out via email or directly from the website as well, and TAC will be able to assist them with finding the correct part number for what exactly they're looking for.